This is Heru Da Guru, aka Soccer God. What they do, boy? I had to check back in, boy, cause we got some 6 o'clock games, 8 o'clock games today, boy. I'm gonna shot y'all some lock picks from last night, this morning, this afternoon. Oh yeah, we about to bust them again. I got one more game going right now. I need all Ali for another 200. Uh, all Ali. That ain't why you say it. Sporting. That's how you say it, young man. That's how you say it, young man. All right. 1 second here. Who we got left? This is all left for the night. We got 4 Argentina Liga Profesional games, 1 Bolivia, Tamayapo, Division Professional. Got Brazil, got 3 of them, 2 Chiles, 2 Ecuadors, and 2 Peru. And I might do the USL. Venezuela, yeah. I don't know. Let's start with Central Cordoba at Union de Santa Fe. Come on, let me go. Let me look at their numbers right now. Okay, Central. Oh, they all. Oh, Estudiantes de La Plata. Oh, y'all. Banfield. Sorry. They can't score. They sorry. They can't score. This be the night they'll get them a victory. The sorry team got to win sometime too, right? Right. Let me look at it. Let me see if it's a lock. It look like it. It look like these boys are draw half. Let me write me a little draw half down here, man. Draw half. For real, boy. Them boys ain't gonna score. They can't score. Why all of a sudden they the ones favorite now? They ain't played in a while though. They good at home. That's why.
I go watch me
they good. Go on. You can go back there. Go back there, my man. I'm about to blow down this J anyway. They might think I'm a bad parent if I blow this J in front of you. You feel me? Granddaddy Roo. Come check out me and my grandson soccer. Come say hi to the camera before you go. Come here, son. Don't say hi to the camera.
Hi, this is Tyrone Solomon.
Okay.
Daddy.
Okay. And what you is, a soccer player?
Soccer player.
Okay. What else you like?
And I like sports and more games.
And more games. He's a gamer too. We're gonna have us a gaming channel soon. Get right. All right, go on back there and watch your stuff, buddy, so I can blow this jizzy. So I can blow this jizzy. Yeah, y'all go down in the back porch, watch that. I know Solomon now they gonna follow you. 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 All right, we go on with Estudiantes La Plata. Oh, Defensa Justicia. Who you like? I don't know, boy. Rosario been balling lately. They been balling, yeah, but Defensa. Whoa. This another draw half. Boy, this a draw half league. If anybody want to know, I ain't going to give all my secrets away. Only to my members. Only to the members. Ooh, they about the same. Boy, I think Rosario want them one. I think Rosario want them one. I'm going to get this goal line effort, huh? Rosario, they definitely going to draw half. Let me look at this draw half real quick. Plus 111, both plus 2. 0, 145, 0 plus 1. Okay. I got you. I like both of them draw half. We're going to go through another one with that. Central Cordoba, sorry. So is Union de Santa Fe, man. Oh my goodness. They both at the bottom. At least oh my goodness. I bet they ain't won a game out on the road yet. They have it. Oh, 4-4. Man, stop it. Let me go with Central Cordova. I do like Central Cordova. Central Cordoba. They gonna bust them, man. I like that plus 112. I'm gonna go back and get it. Now this is a tougher game. Argentina Juniors. Boca Juniors. Who we like? Who you like? I want to hear. Who you like? Who you like? Argentina been messing. They been busting my ticket wide open with these draws. Boca, I don't know, boy. Boca might can do 'em. Boca might can do 'em. Ooh, Argentina should go ahead and take care of business. Boca ain't all that good this year. They both the same. 6-5-5, 6-3. They lose a couple of more. Let's see the home record versus both of them good at home. 4-2-1, 4-2-3. They lost 3 in a row. Ooh, let's see the road records. They 2-3-4, 2-1. I gotta go with Argentina Junior, but they been drawing lately, man. They gotta be about to want to get their shit together by now. They got to be. They got to be, man. Let me see if I don't see. Let me see if they got the lineups here. Okay, Ambrosia, he injured. They got 3 dudes out. Let me see who this is. What's up, buddy? It might be not plugged up, sir. It might not be plugged up. You sure? It is plugged up? It is plugged up? Oh, this boy been hurt for a minute. He is hurt, but he ain't no hell bender. Alright, let me pause this little video then. I'm going to pause it. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Alright, I'm back. Okay. I might be live tonight, man, for these games tonight. Just be honest with you. Maya Po, Universitario de Vento, to Maya Po, Oh, I like, man, they sorry. I don't fuck with Bolivia. I'm gonna just be real. All right, Mirasol. I already know I like Atletico Go. That's already in my lock the other day. Yeah, they should have no problem with it. Go ahead and put my let me write Atletico Go down. That's a lot. I'm gonna put that down on a ticket. -1, man. They might win by 1 and push, man, but they might. I think they can blow them out though. I'm being Tombense, Londrina. Ooh, Tombense, sorry. Ooh. It's a sorry game, man. Ooh, Londrina's so sorry. I can't bet on these guys. I don't even think they can score, man. 6 goals to 8, 6 goals to 9. What the spread on them is? Tom Ben's favorite, huh? Man, I like they under, but I can't. They just trash, man. They trash. Mirasol Victoria. Let's go, Mirasol. Victoria ain't been playing though, boy. Man, I like Victoria. Playing with 5-0-1, man. I know Mirasol at home. Why y'all lost? Because they lost the goal. Atletico Go. Them really big boy Atletico supposed to be in Series A. They got derelegated, apparently. Apparently. Man, give me Victoria. That plus 250, man. Yeah. Audax Italiano. Wachipato. Who you like? No, boy, I might like Wachipato. I might like Wachi, boy. Wachi. I don't know, boy. Italiano. Boy, Wachi playing on the road. Look, 3-1. Draw. 2-1. Woo. Wachi Pato 9-1-3. Man, I might like Wachi and Chila. I know they the underdog. Man, they the underdog, man. Give me Wachi. Give me Wachi. And I like Kokimbo. It's an 18 man. I'm gonna put $2.36 on that biatch for $11.94. Why not? Why not? Why not? Hold on, I'm gonna clear this out, man. I like Wachi Pato. I'm finna just put me these upset specials on there, man. Real. Gal, Victoria, and who else we had as an upset special? Upset special. Special. Ooh, ooh, Yeah. I kind of like Defensa Justicia. Hold on, let me see what else here. Boy, I like these 3 upset specials, boy. Let me look at these real quick. LDU Guto at Technical. LDU, what happened, man? Y'all done fell off, but y'all finna beat the shit out of Technical. For sure. Let me go to Ecuador. Man, give me LDU Guto. I can't fuck with Barcelona, because that's my Orense. And they, man, I had some parlay the other day, man. They was up 2-0. This one here, they let the boy come back and draw it. Look, they were like, bah, bah. I said, okay, we good. I ain't even see this goal. I ain't even see that goal. I looked back, I said, it's 2-2. What happened? I know you ain't supposed to let emotions get to you. Barcelona should blow a rinse out. Theoretically, but I don't trust it. Because they draw, they'll be the same record. 6-3-2, 6-3-2. Ooh, that one is a tough one. I think they're in draw city right now. And why is Orense plus 500, man? Please tell me why. Please. Matter of fact, you don't even belong on this ticket. It's an upset special. It's upset special. If I don't see no upset special, I ain't putting it on that. Melger, Alianza Lima. Alianza Lima. Boy, you don't mess with Alianza, boy. Alianza got some squads in that jurisdiction, boy. In Peru, boy. Alianza, but Melger at home. Melger ain't soft. Melger is not, boy. I told you, Alianza Lima. They 12-2. Melger struggling, man. I like Alianza Lima. Where they at? Where they was? What league that is? Peru. Yeah, that's my dogs. Peru. They better not be the underdog. Man, give me Alianza Lima. They better not be the underdog. Universidad Cesar Vallejo. I don't know, boy. They might be another plus 5. Universitario de Deportes. I don't know, boy. I like Alianza Lima for that. This upset special. Upset special. Soccer God know how to do this, boy. Real, watch this. University de Deportes. They ain't playing with your Caesar. They ain't playing with your Caesar. They're not playing with your Caesar. I promise you they ain't. They ain't playing with you, Cesar Vallejo. But that's too much money on this ticket. I'm not putting that on it. You know what? Get your ass off of there, Go. I got you on a lot of shit. For real. Get your ass off of this upset special. Huachipato, Victoria, and Alianza Lima. Boy, I might just leave them alone. I might do a 3-part. I'm going to do a round robin, man. It's going to cost me $30. It's going to cost me $30. at least two of them gonna do it, if not all three. And if I hit 10, 250, matter of fact, let me see what the parlay calculator give me for them. I just want to see if this bet makes sense to me, man. It makes sense. It makes sense. It makes sense. Cause if only two of them hit, what would I be getting for $10? What that is? Plus 280, plus 245. I say, let's just say plus 250, plus 250, both of them, just in case that one be the one that hit. Okay. Let's see. See what this paid me, just in case, just two hit. It paid me $122 for a $30 play. Man, put that in. Lock it in. Lock it in. Lock that in, man. I got to. I wouldn't be surprised if all that shit hit. Be honest with you, I wouldn't be surprised if all that shit hit. Man, if they gonna do, they don't even let us bet on Venezuela, man. That's bad. They get on my nerves. They get on my nerves. So I guess I'm gonna just have to. I'm gonna keep them because I think they gonna hit all their ass. I'm gonna put Argentina games on here, like that Central Cordoba. You know what I mean? Like that Central Cordoba. Who else? Oh yeah, Brazil B. Brazil B. Brazil. Now I put go on there. Nah, you can go on there. You can go on there. I think Londrina gonna beat them actually, boy. Londrina! They've been playing. Matter of fact, I put that plus 106 on it. They've been playing a little bit better than you think. I seen them a few places, boy. Who else? What we got? Ecuador. I don't even want to put you on there, man. I don't even want to put you on there. Peru. He ain't down there. I put University of Tario. They beating ass and taking names, man. Beating ass, taking names, man. And then I'm finna show you some pics. I was gonna do a video study, but I went to my homeboy. We did some study on some Australia games and Asia games, and I'm finna put them bets in right now before I shut this video off. I can't mess with Barcelona. I just can't. I don't even want to mess with them either. I don't. I think that's it. Ain't nothing else. Put 5 on that for the 3,900. Oh, I know what I want to do. I want to round robin this shit like this here. Oh shit! Bing 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 bing. I'm like, what the fuck happened? I was like, bing 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 bing. Update. I just seen it. It went to 307. Bing 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 bing. Oh no, don't go. Oh no, I fucked up. Everything gone. That last ticket hit. Ali must have did it for me. Oh man, I fucked up. Ah, ah. I fucked up, man. Central Cordoba. Estudiantes. I fucked up. I like Londrina. I'm gonna put that +0 over there. They whole as a draw. I like Victoria. Magellanus ain't playing now. I'm gonna put YG Pato with that 0 on that bit. This ain't gonna be the same ticket I just had up there. God damn it. I'm gonna go with you personally. Just fuck it. I'm mad. Ooh, they got Melgro. Man, I'm gonna try Melgro on one. Just in case they be like, man, we finna bust that shit. We finna bust it. Let me see. Cold. La, 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 la. Man, I'm gonna put 3 on that. 3 for 18. Yeah. 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 I like this. I'm gonna switch around it a little bit. I know the Portes will win by more than one. I know that. I'm gonna go with that Lima draw. Ooh, they'll draw. They'll draw this game. Boy, let me remember that. Dalianza Lima. Always put in 14 draw. Draw, 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 draw. Cause one of them hit, you good for about 2-3 weeks. Profit. For real. For real. For real, for real. Hold on, y'all. We almost done with this video. I know. Barcelona, I really don't want to have you on here, to be honest. But we gonna keep you on this motherfucker. Minus 190. Man, I kind of like my old rants, boy. I ain't gonna even lie. I'm scared to do it. Hold on. We got Columbia B tonight. Quindio. Wait a minute. I ain't know where Columbia be at. I missed that. I ain't got that. Oh man, well, I'm tripping. Let me get this in my lead, man. I'm tripping. I ain't got Columbia B. I'm tripping. Oh, that changed some shit. Quindio. Real boy, that changed some shit, boy. The Narrows ain't playing. I forgot about the Narrows. Man, I like Quindio at the house, man. I ain't even lie. What's going on with this? Hold on. Oh, this the Apertura Quadrangular. Okay. Okay. Matter of fact, you make me want to look at something here. Look at something here. Who did what last year? Who did what last year? Yeah, look at it. 1, 2, 3. These same niggas. Let me see the quadrangular. Windio. It was 3-3. They wasn't in Lenoro's group. Lenoro's ain't play that good, and once they got to it, but they was good at the Apertura. They was the best one, but they ain't play that good. So this is the same scenario. They pretty much was the better team, 9-5-2, you know. But then they get to and they playing well, you know. They had who they lost to, Orsa Maso, and then they lost to Narrow. But they went on the road one night. Oh, this is an underlock though. This is an underlock. Trust you me. Trust you me. Trust you me. I like Fortaleza, boy. I think so, like Fortaleza. Fortaleza. Man, give me Fortaleza. Put Fortaleza down here, because I might put a 5 team and put about 20 on it. 25 on it. Fortaleza. Man, I like Alianza Lima, man. Melga just got beat by Deportivo Garcilaso. Man, please, man. Alianza ain't man. Yeah, that was last year. Our last, okay, they lost to MG because that's Atletico Minero Gauss, Atletico MG, and the Copa. That's the big dog league. See, when you running this shit like these boys, see, you advance promotion. Man, I like Alianza Lima. I don't know how they plus 285, man, but I gotta figure out why. Hey, Nani, I'm almost finished. I don't know why. back to you. How? Caesar Vallejo. Let me look at y'all again, because y'all my dogs now. Y'all my dog, but y'all been sloppy lately. They lost to Alianza Atletico. Even though they down here, Alianza got squads there, boy, in their jurisdiction in Peru. The Alianza district, man, they got some hitters. Let me look at this USL, man. Tulsa, Memphis, Memphis, Memphis. Shit, boy, I like Memphis. I put Memphis on here. Memphis. Let me look at this cocaine boy, Magellan. Magellan can do little sneaky upsets. They let Kopi Alpo beat him. Union Espanol, I know they'll lose that. Audax beat him. Rico, who killed my $300 last night. These boys, and I knew it too. Cola. I'm gonna even show you. Think I'm playing Corico unit though. Watch they last game. They just beat Cola last night. Had a 10 team and the last game was Cola. And they got smoked. Put 431 on here for the 3200, and we gonna start all this shit over. I just want to show y'all that, man, cause y'all. Where it's at? I almost bust them. This one here. No, that was the other one. That was the other one from last night. That's not the one I'm talking about. The one I'm talking about is this 286. This one here. Nope, that's not the one. This is another one. Hold on. It might be this 229. This one. Man, I was pissed. See what I'm talking about? 10 teams. And I let Cola. They favorites. They minus 189. What are you doing, Cola? Cola. Isidore. Metapan. They cover. National Asunción. They cover. And you see everything else. Fiorentina. Fenerbahce, Istanbul, Newcastle, Clef, Kabili, and El Bayad, and Cola. Smoke me. I said, man, and that's my dogs too, though. I wasn't even mad. Rico Unido. Them my upset special niggas, man. Matter of fact, if I'd have had them on there, oh yeah, that's another one. I'm so raw at this. You gonna see a lot of this. I know it looks heartbreaking. It looks, but I'm a 70-80%er guy. Like when I pick 30 games, I'm gonna be 70% or higher. For real. I just know this shit. I don't understand it. And I need to get some more organization with this shit, to be honest. Because I'm that fucking good at this shit. For real. I just know these dudes. Northeastern Metro Stars! Melbourne City! That hit. What was the one that just hit that popped in the screen? This one right here. See? You gonna see a lot of little one missers. It looks heartbreaking. It looks devastating. got one for 4 bands the other day. One team draw. Look at this one. Hokkaido Kansado Sapporo. And you know who these boys is. They got their auto bet pilot license this year. Northeastern Metro Stars. Bet on them, boy. Bet on them. Melbourne City. And these boys got their auto bet certificates. I call it the ABC. The ABC is auto bet certificate. If I see them, I'm betting with them. It's as simple as that. Simple as that. Al Ali. And then you got Melbourne Knights. Oakland Cannons. Oh, another ABC participant here. Bashindar Kings. Locks. I'm bet with them boys every time. Bashindar. Who ain't? Matter of fact, let's look at the live bet real quick. Let's look at the live. Oh, ain't nothing going on. Ain't shit to bet live with. Hey, man, I might go live tomorrow, man, or tonight about 1 a.m. when we see, hold on. I'm going live 1 a.m. now. Matter of fact, if I can figure out how to use, see, Al Ali, they won 1-0. I was worried because they had that stale ass one goal since the 22nd minute. Tao P dishing off the El Shahat, and he scores. And they ain't scored shit else because they got that masterclass D. They ain't like, man, we good, man. Lock this shit down. Ali. Matter of fact, what's going on there? Let me check out this tournament. Oh, they play. Hold on. It's 2 legs, 3-0, 1-0. Okay, so they first. Oh, they first leg they draw. Why dad an auto bet pilot too? Matter of fact, this is a funny league here, cause we got. No, actually, this is Africa Champions League. They really don't suppose to necessarily have an auto bet pilot here because Simba got one. No wonder why all these people got auto bet pilots. I had to look at this because Beloza dad, they a boss. Mamie Lodi, they a boss. White dad a boss. Simba a boss. Al Ali a boss. Rajan Experience Tunis. Okay, Al Ali waiting on Mamie Lodi and White dad. They play tomorrow. Ain't nobody playing right now, so it really ain't nothing to do it. So let me look at this shit one more time. I got Central Cordoba, Atletico Go, Fortaleza, Alianza Lima, Memphis, and I don't think I got a feeling Melga gonna win today, man, because they shouldn't be favored. I don't think they're giving us money that's that easy, man. I just don't believe they are. You know. Oh, I know what I'm supposed to do. I'm supposed to bet my half. I gotta bet this every time. See, I know these about there's certain tidbits I know about these leagues. Like Club Central, Rosario, and Defensa. Draw half, man. It's gonna be 0-0, 1-1 at half. Straight up. They so sorry. They might not. But Argentina Junior, Boca Junior, draw half. Minus 101, obviously. And let me see what they draw had looking like. Plus 106. Man, they so sorry too, man. They can't score until later, to be honest. Same for these dudes. And that's hard to say all 4 of them is going to do it. So, I'm going to try it anyway, but I know all 4 of them ain't going to fucking do that. That's just, the odds of that is just so slim. So, I kind of know, or I don't know though. Argentina Junior might be mad right now. Let me see this last game. They was on the road. They went to Tucumán. I even thought Tucumán was gonna beat them, and they came in there, bop, bop, draw half. Just like I said, 1-1. Man, I ain't Argentina Junior. I can't take y'all off it. Now, I can say this one is the Banfield Estudiante de La Plata. Banfield might be so sorry that Estudiantes gonna come in there and bop that shit. See, they just went good. Let me see what y'all did against that. Did you go in there and hit a goal? No. Draw half. I told you. Let me look at this one. 1-1. Draw half. Man, I gotta do it. I gotta do it. Or maybe Central. I'm gonna look at it. I ain't gonna get lazy. I ain't gonna get lazy. But every last one of them was draw half. Okay, this is the first one. Centro Cordoba. They coming out the butt. Okay. Give me one. Give me one of them to take off. Thank you. I'm gonna take Centro Cordoba off. They minus 105. I like them to be up first half. Damn. Give me one of them to take off, please. Cause we know that all that shit wasn't finna happen. What other one we had to look up? Shit, all three of them said draw half. All three of them. Let me look at Banfield again. Oh, I mean, hold on. What's one I was looking at? Central Guitar. They look like they can win. Studiante, that would draw half. Yeah, good. I'll take it like that. That's how I take it. Draw. First half. That's exactly how that shit gonna play out. If I do 6 parlays, that's gonna cost $60. Well, but that's not enough. That's not enough to do it like I was gonna do it. Let's see what if I do it 5 times 4. Well, 10 will cost. That means they. I kind of like 10 times 40 on that bit like that. That ain't enough either. No, it's gonna take too much. I'm gonna do it 5, man. How much $5? Let's see. For a 3-teamer. Plus 160, plus 105. No, they gonna hit. Let's just say Central Cobra do what they do. They do what they do. They do what they do, but they lose. Okay. Minus 101, plus 101. I just want to see, is this shit even worth doing it? 105 minus 111. Now what I was gonna put on this shit? 10, or 5. Okay, 5 and 10. Let's see what 10 will do. But we know what 5 will do. That's it. $72. I ain't doing that. I ain't doing it. Ain't worth it to me. I like them to do this though. I like them to do it. Let me look at this mirror saw one more time. Alright, boom. Man, like I said, they must. Okay, that was go. Go ain't Mirasol ain't go. Mirasol ain't go, man. Mirasol ain't go, and I like go right now. And Mirasol ain't go. I'm gonna put this 0 on here. No, I'm gonna put that 250 first. I'm going for the gusto. I told you. And Londrina. Tom Benz, sorry, but Tom Benz can score. Londrina just beat Ponte Preta. They play good with go. Man, I like Londrina. For real, I like Londrina, man. These are just lockies, man. Lockies. Italiano. Oh, that's Italiano. They lost to Cola punks. Cola. I'm bitter. bitter cola. Y'all be blooming sorry at Copresso. You lose the Union to Chile. Newell old boy bought you. Wachi just playing differently right now, man. I think Wachi playing differently right now, man. I just know it is. Who they lost them 3-2? Let me go at home. Shit, they lost they two at home. And they really they focus on the road. Man, they focus on the road, man. I ain't gonna even much lie to you, boy. I like Wachi Pato. They focus on the road, man. I'll put 5 on that real quick for the 3,100. And boom. Well, I know I be betting normally $1, $2. But every time I hit good, I'm gonna press it a little bit now. I'm gonna press it a little bit now. Kimbo. I forgot. I can't forget about my little Fortaleza now. Give him Kimbo. I don't know, Magellan. This is one of them games, man. 7-1-6, but they sorry, Magellan. Y'all sorry, man. Kimbo finna smoke ya. Sorry, you about to get smoked. I don't even like Barcelona. I'm going to Quindio and Fortaleza, man. Quindio and Fortaleza. Fortaleza. I'm gonna put 5 on that. Boom, boom. Ooh, 9,800. Wow, that ain't gonna hit. That ain't gonna hit. But shit, we finna try this shit. We finna put everybody on there. Just in case this video go viral if I hit all 15 of these motherfuckers. Eventually, they'll be like, what the fuck? Nah, we going with Aliens like we said. And University of the Party, Okay, there's one more team I'm missing. There's one more team I can put on here. Cool. Ooh, the Narrows and Pete, that shit. Oh, it'll be. Alright, that's it. That's the max they gonna let me get it. I'm gonna put $5 for the $96,470. Bah. Damn. I reckon be wanting to holler at me if that shit hit. That shit going in Bitcoin. All of these funds is going in investment. None of these funds is earned income. All this shit go to Bitcoin, Ethereum, or some type of crypto I'm gonna invest in. And maybe in 10, 15, 20 years when I retire, that's gonna be my retirement. So it hit. It's going in Bitcoin. It's getting reserved. Yeah, for real. Come on, Fortaleza. Come on, Quindio. Come on, Fortaleza. Come on, Quindio. I'm going to try Melgar because I got a feeling they might win because they favorite for a reason. The Vegas ain't dumb now. They ain't dumb. I'm going to try them one time. Little heads, little parlay, just in case all that shit gets smoked because Melger decide to want to be Melger and Alianza don't do what the fuck they supposed to do. I like go on the drum. I ain't even gonna fuck with Landrino on that one. Marisol might be not playing either. Why you bullshit? Marisol might not be playing either. Oi. Why you all happy about Victoria and the upset? Oi. You right. I might have to hedge that tonight. You right. I might put a little 5 on it. Boom. You right. I might have to hedge that tonight. With Melger, Fortaleza, Quindio. I'll put Central Cordova on that bitch. I like Argentina Junior. I really like Argentina Juniors though. To really about man. Let me go back to my $2, man. I'm getting out of hand now. You getting out of hand, little Woody. Slow your roll, little Woody. Club at Rosario Central. I'm gonna put zeros because they like to draw. I like Estudiant. I like Argentina Juniors. And then I'm gonna go ahead as these little bets here. With Mirasol. I don't care if I'm going with the +1. Tone Benz, just in case we tripping. Landry ain't gonna do shit. Go, just in case. You know how that whole shit is. Cocaine, man, I had enough of you, Cocaine, bro. I really did. I had enough of you. I had enough. I done had 8 parlays alive. 1 or 2 games left. And they pulled some bullshit. I done had that. I done seen it. I done been there. I done done it. 10 teamer. Put 2 on that motherfucker for $5.90. I love $5.90 tonight. Shit, keep these selections. Who you don't like? Argentina Juniors, Club Rosario. I do like Central Cordova. I do Atlanta Go. Tone Benz. Do I really? Yeah, I did say I'm gonna head you up. Head you up. Head you up. Melger. Go ahead, Melger. Put you on. I'm put you $4. This is it, man. That's it, man. I don't believe they're gonna be there like that. I'm done, man. Cause I'm saving this $72 for Asia. Cause we got who we got for Asia. Matter of fact, let me throw that in now. Just in case I don't have to do this shit. I ain't doing no video. Cause I like Sue's Hao Dong Woo. And then I like Nanjing City, Shijiwang Gong Fu. Then who else I like? Hinan Song Shen Long Men, Shandong Tai Shan, and Shanghai Port. Shit, I like them niggas. I like all of them, boy, for 10. I do. Su's Hao Dong Wu, Nanjing, Shijiang Gong Fu, Hinan Song. Man, I like that for 10, boy. I ain't gonna even lie. I ain't gonna lie to you. Then I'm gonna throw a little bang on that. Little Bangladesh. Bangladesh police. Armenia. Ararat Yerevan. Oh boy, we got Japan. We got Japan. We got Japan. Kawasaki Frontale. And then who else we like? Vietnam. Hai Phong. Hong Lin Ha Tin. Song Lang Nung An. Song Lang Nung An. Let's get them on there, boy. I like them, boy. Man, that's it, man. Cause I don't make this shit go too long in the goddamn way. Out. We out.